How to make photos 4K on Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can make photos 4K on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Now open your Capcut application and tap on New Project. Now select the photo and click on Add button. Once you are on this page, now click on the 180p drop-down menu beside the Export button. Here you can see different options in order to customize your photo. Now in order to make the photos 4K, finally slide the slider of the resolution from 180p to 2K 4K. Once you do that, go back to the video and export the video by simply clicking on the export icon in the top right corner. Now the clip will be exported to your gallery. Once it is done, you are good to go. In this simple way, you can make photos 4K on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.